I'm at Newark Airport, and I'm about to board my plane to Seattle. Okay, I'm at the gate, and our flight is in 20 minutes, and it's a 6-hour flight to Seattle. Super excited. I think once I get off, I'm gonna be taking an Uber to Bellevue, and then I'll be chilling at my hotel until I start on Monday, I guess. So, yeah.
You lose your phone or
We landed in Seattle. I'm pretty tired. You can probably see it in my eyes, but I'm just gonna pick up my luggage, order an Uber to the hotel, and I'm probably just gonna pass out because it's like, it would be 1 a.m. EST, it's like 10 p.m. right now. I'm so tired. Hey guys, I'm at the hotel and I got my keys and stuff. Finally made it after like 2 hours of Ubering around trying to find out where the hotel is. But I checked in, they knew my name, which is cool because I left my camera somewhere and they knew I was traveling around trying to find where the place is. And what else? They said Microsoft has a gift for me. I'm guessing they left gifts for all the interns in the rooms. So I'm about to go to the room and see what the gift is. Alright. Looking at it, looks like we got a bunch of water bottles, which is nice. So, I'm gonna put these away. Let's look at what we got here. So we got some Tide Pods, which is nice, and these things, Bounce. I don't know what Bounce is. Bounce. A laundry basket for my laundry. We got some Bulldog ramen. I think this actually, it says chicken % off food and non-alcoholic beverages, and free laundry. Nice. Thanks, Yacht Hotel. I appreciate that. That's everything.
3 days later.
Hi guys. I didn't show too much of my morning because I had to rush. Breakfast ends in 30 minutes, and I have a few other interns that are living here that I want to meet. But you know, I showered, got ready. First morning at Yacht House, and this is our view.
12 seconds later.
Alright, quick brief. I didn't record any of the breakfast because I got there and there's a giant ass table of Microsoft interns. So I sat with them, I got to meet everybody, but I wasn't gonna record everybody without their permission, and like I haven't met anybody yet. That's insane. So I'll just give a brief. I'm not even gonna, I don't want to say names either. I just met a lot of people on a lot of different teams. There's like a security intern, there's a hardware engineer intern. Never seen one of those in the wild. There's one guy next to me who's on the Xbox team. He's an Explorer intern, and he's working on some really cool stuff with like cloud gaming and stuff like that, so it's interesting to hear. I'm gonna go rock climbing with a few of them at 1 p.m. There was the group, like there's 4 people sitting next to me that we decided, and then another group in the group chat just randomly had the exact same idea, exact same gym, so we're just gonna merge with them, go there. And before we go to the gym though, that's gonna be at like 1. Right now it's like It's like 10, I think, 10 a.m. I'm gonna play Smash with one of my friends here, and then we're gonna pull up to the rock climbing gym. So I'll get some nice clips of that. Yeah, it was really cool though. I love meeting everybody. Everybody was super nice. Yeah, not much else to say. Completely forgot. I need to give you guys like a room tour of my room. One sec. So this is what you see when you walk in. This is my kitchen. These are all those goodies that Microsoft got me. I don't really know where to put them. We got all these dishes and stuff all ready. So I'll have dishes for when I cook food, I guess. I'll be cooking food. And we got a stove, sink, I think it's an oven, dishwasher. Yeah, that's all that. And then we have our little seating area over here. I sort of just threw my laundry. I need to unpack all this. A TV with my Switch. I need to get a Switch stand so I could put it into the TV. This is where I slept. I need to make the bed. I was eating potato chips last night. And this is my bathroom area. There's a little camera, or the mirror. And yeah, it's pretty much the entire room. It's really nice. We have a nice view to outside. Really pretty. I think I'm gonna go walk around a little bit. And get some footage, some B-roll through there. But that's my room. I'll be here for the next 3 months. That was so corny. Well, I guess I'll go through some of the facilities this place has. I know it has a gym and a pool, so I'm gonna go check those out. And I think I'm just gonna walk around to see what's around the hotel. Like. I'm just getting, you know.
Tomorrow.
Hey guys. Sorry for the lack of intro and outro. I woke up late and had to rush to the office, but we're about to be at the visitor center and have our birthday orientation. See you guys there.
This is, it's big. We're all like, what? Dude, I see the Xbox choose one. Last door thing down there.
Yeah, preferred for.
What's your first name?
Hi guys. little debrief of today, because I don't get a lot of time to record without embarrassing myself in front of the other interns. I'm alone in my hotel room. Just finished up orientation. It's like 5:30. But rundown of the day is pretty much I carpooled with a few of my intern friends that I met here at Yacht House, and then the first thing they did was go over a presentation, and then they I don't really remember a lot. They went over like logistics and benefits and stuff, our Orca card here in Seattle, and then we had lunch. And that was fun. I got to meet more interns while I was eating lunch. You probably saw a clip from before of someone like, shout out YouTube, that guy was cool. That was during lunch. Alright, we got a snickerdoodle. Oh yeah, sure.
Shout out Microsoft. Shout out Adoc. Is that your name, Aduk?
No.
Wait, can I see your name?
Yes.
Shout out Aiden. Shout out Microsoft.
Mm-hmm.
We're here, first day. Like, follow, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe.
And then we had trivia. Trivia is really fun. I didn't get a lot of clips because I was locked in on trying to get the prize, and we ended up getting last place. So that was kind of embarrassing. But it was because like all the other questions were easy until the songs. Like, it was super niche songs that had the word blue in it. Like, how are we supposed to know that? And then after that, I met a few other interns, recognized here and there, to those who came up to me and said hi, hello. If I made it quick and short, it's not because I hated you, it's because I'm awkward and I don't know how to handle situations like that. Sorry. But anyways, what else? And then we just drove home. I wanted to go straight home because it was a long day, and now I'm back here. I'm probably going to do some prep for meeting my manager tomorrow, go through the slides that I think my friend Ethan's going to send me, and make sure I have everything ready logistically with like the benefits and like the Orca cards, stuff like that, checking if I'm in this system. And that was orientation day. That's day one. Stay tuned for tomorrow where I get to show you guys the building. Oh yeah, I couldn't record the building because I need to get a pass, which I'll try and get tomorrow. If I don't get it tomorrow, I will get some sort of footage this week, and you guys will be able to see it, so stay tuned. And I'll see you guys later.
6.5 hours later.
Hi guys, this is Aiden, or fuck. Hi guys, this is Uka, or Aiden, from a week later. Just want to let you know that this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. I had a bunch of other stuff recorded, but it was mostly just yaps, so I think me and Oscar decided to cut all that and just put the orientation stuff. It was like 10 minutes worth of video anyways, so hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I have a lot of stuff planned for next week's video, so be sure to look out for that. We got bowling, hiking, lake house, all the like generic sweet stuff coming up. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. It's been awesome here at Microsoft, and I'm excited to make more videos.